Hi Marathon, King of the Hill ramp, here it is. It is approximately a 10-inch wide trough with a 3-inch rail that starts, if you look at the end, about 1 inch off the ground, goes uphill to about 4 inches off the ground, so it has a rise of 3 inches. We'll send you some prints of this too. We completely made you a bill of material list, and this thing was made from 1/4-inch plywood and 1/2-inch plywood. And we're going to give you a little figure too of cut list, but it really comes down to 10-inch wide, 3-inch safety rail. We have a starting line 12 inches in on both sides. It has to be symmetrical across the center so it peaks. If we look at the underside, it is literally just a couple of 1/2-inch boards with a piece of 10 by 36 1/4-inch plywood put to it, and then they come to meet in the center. And the only real tough cut on this thing is that the rails have to have like an angle cut put in them. So I did a little smartboard cutout for you. That the way we built it was we put a piece of 10 by 36 1/4-inch plywood on a couple of 1/2 by 4-inch by 36 boards. That would be the two flat platforms. The only hard part then is when you put the 3-inch side rails on, you're going to have to make that seam cut, because when they come up, if you cut them square, it would look like this. We don't want them like that. You want to make them extra long and figure out the seam cut. Be a good project for some geometry student. We gave you a cut list on it. It doesn't have to be 1/2-inch plywood. It could be 1/2-inch boards on the underside here. But it's really all you got. It comes down to that when you look at the 72 inches long, 3 foot a side, starting as close to the ground as you get, rising 3 inches to the center. And that way when you start a car, on each side, they come crashing in, and then whoever goes over the center line, this peak center. We have a little brace on the side and a little brace of wood here that we cut, but we call it out as a piece of square wood to hold it up. If this is not enough information, you need another one, you want us to do something, just call us, we'll help out. Thank you.